So I've come across a lot of videos, guys, doing maintenance on their vehicles, motorcycles, or just lawnmowers or something, and questions around how to get strip bolts, bolt heads, how to get them out, which could be pretty tricky. So I thought I'll make a video. I simulated this bolt. I intentionally stripped off the head, which was a hex, which is rounded now, to try and get that out. So what I'll do is I'll show a few obvious ways of dealing with this. There's a few for these ones, which is exposed and it's not too tricky to get to it. So with this one, the first option that I would use is I would use these grips. These ones have got pretty nice sharp teeth still, which you could always try and clamp it on there and then try and maneuver that. If that works for you, that's great. I'll show you the next option. The next simple option is taking a hacksaw. We're going to try and hacksaw a groove in there for a beefy flat screwdriver that we could use. I double up the blades to try and get the width of a flathead screwdriver. We would basically just hacksaw it a flat across until it gets to about, I would say, 4 or 5 millimeter depth. And you would try your flathead screwdriver, and if that works for you, great. If not, I'll show you the next option. Next option is to create your own flats for a open wrench. Here, to match this head we have here, I've got a 3/8, which will, if I had to create flats, that'll be a decent flat surface, which I can either use a grinder, I could use a file, or I can just use a hacksaw to cut off most of the material and then just use a file to smoothen out. Very important to keep the sides parallel so you get a nice flat surface on both ends of this. And if that works for you, once again, that's great. If not, I'll show you the next option. Next option will be the route of the extractable screw set, which is also known as an easy out. They basically look like this. So for this specific head that we've got stripped, there's a entrance where your Allen key would have gone. We can use the center of that to drill a hole to use the easy out. For this, I matched the diameter of the threaded bolt rather than the head. It matches up closest to a 0.2 size easy out. I measured the tip of it, and that's important to measure that so you can see what grip you would start with. This is a 3.5 millimeter drill. So we would drill in the center a 3.5 millimeter drill, which I'll do next. So we got a hand drill ready. Make sure you place it inside, make sure it's square, and we will drill the hole. Drill it about, I would say, 10 millimeters deep. We can now use that 0.2 and see that it's starting to bite. We're turning it anti-clockwise because that's the direction we want to go to exit the screw. It starts to bite. We will enter this into our T-handle tool, which we normally could also use to drill and tap holes. Make sure it is square, and then we will rotate it anti-clockwise till it bites and the screw starts turning. If this works for you, once again, that's great. If not, I will show you the next and final option that I have in my toolkit. My next option, we also turn back to the drills. I've managed most of my broken bolts extraction. Most of my preferred option is using a left-handed drill, which is basically drilling a hole in it, and as it bites, it'll extract. The key thing is obviously with a left-handed drill, once again, to make sure that we spin the drill at a lower speed at a anti-clockwise direction, which I'll demonstrate now. So I have a 10 millimeter left-handed drill, which I'll demonstrate the left-handed method, and this is one of my successful ones, like I said, how I extract most of my bolts. Make sure it's in anti-clockwise rotation. As you can see, the bolt came out with the left-handed drill. It's obviously the last one I tried, so that's the last one I made a big effort on. But those are all the methods that could be tried to try and remove a bolt that's stuck or the head is stripped. Sometimes a bit of heat is needed if we've got any Loctite used to enter the bolt, or maybe you don't even know. If you are working on this, you never entered the bolt yourself. But yeah, my objective is to share some cheap ideas on how to remove bolts that's got stripped heads. And yeah, let's try these and see if you have any luck. If you have any questions, suggestions, please add some in the comments, and I will share my knowledge that I have over the years removing broken bolts, how I can assist. If you like this and enjoyed this, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and then I'll make another video of some other methods of different bolts stripped off in other areas, maybe in a hole that's not so easy and exposed. Please look out for those videos and see you soon.